Ain't it crazy that we got Google Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 before GTA 6?
Sora 2 released a few days ago, and now I've got access to Google Veo 3, so let's compare them.
Yeah, all that was generated using Sora 2 and Google Veo 3.1. And thanks to Higgsfield, I got the chance to test the industry leaders, and I'm gonna show you the results in this video. And of course, at the end, I'm gonna show you 2 easiest ways to make money using these tools if you are willing to act fast. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with one of the craziest features that I ever saw. It's Sora 2 Trends. Here in the Higgsfield, you click on this tab, and over here you can enter your prompt, and over here you preset that you want.
Design.
You can use epic fails, talent shows. I'm gonna show you real examples. So here I use the bad cooking template and a simple prompt. And it's made it actually fun. I forgot how to cook or how to make it. This one is insane.
Okay, here we go. Big gap. Got it. Last one. Push. Circuit energy. Fuel the run.
Like, this is insane, and I'm pretty sure that companies would buy stuff like this. I mean, they're already buying it.
We're on Con Street in Bikini Bottom asking folks how the economy's treating them. How's it feeling out here?
Honestly, it's a mixed bag. Kelp's up, so groceries cost more, but tips at the diner have been better since the tourists came back.
So this is a concept for viral videos on TikTok that are already working pretty well. I made it a little bit different here, and it looks...
Folks keep saying prices are going up in town. How are you feeling it?
Oh, you feel it the moment you buy a kelp shake. Last summer it was 2 clams, now it's 4.5. That's double plus a tip.
What do you think is causing this?
Like, do you see how beautiful and how perfect the animation is? And how much it reminds you of SpongeBob? Because I entered here the Bikini Bottom. Like, it's insane. This one I didn't succeed. This one is... I
can't believe that's musical.
It's impressive control, honestly.
Yeah, it's not that funny. This one is just a basic video. It made shots from different directions of the same person, which was pretty hard like 6 months ago to do. And this, right now, it looks perfect. This is mind-blowing, like literally mind-blowing. Because these type of shorts are generating like tens of millions of views.
Normally, a hair grows straight out of its follicle and through the skin, but sometimes the tip bends and curls back down, piercing the surface. The body treats it like a tiny splinter, producing redness, swelling, and irritation.
It actually explained how it works. And then I tried with something much more complicated, and it actually did it and made animation look great while talking about it, like stuff that actually makes sense.
This tiny sensor is LiDAR. It fires pulses of invisible light, measuring how long they take to bounce back. Thousands of points are captured every second, building a detailed 3D map of your surroundings. From that map, the phone can understand depth, place objects in augmented reality, and even take instant measurement.
Like, guys, this is just from one freaking prompt. Just one super short prompt. I didn't have to ask ChatGPT how LiDAR works. I didn't have to generate these images and then turn them into videos. It was just from one simple prompt. So here I wanted to create something that looks like a real vlog of like a human somewhere traveling in like Middle Eastern countries. And I wanted it to look so real that if you were scrolling Instagram, you would think, okay, this is not AI. You wouldn't even think of AI. You would be like, this is probably real. Like, why not? Why wouldn't it be real?
I drank 36 drinks and I don't feel anything.
Like, he's pretending that he's not affected by those drinks. Or this lady, like, this is super realistic, and it's because I made this image. I'm gonna show you how, and I turned it into video with still a pretty simple prompt. This is enhanced by Higgsfield's AI, but my prompt was pretty short and pretty simple.
Oh my dear, if I didn't have this old bag, I would lose you.
Yeah, like, I mean, there is lots of details that make it look super realistic, and clothes look insanely real. And if you look carefully how she opens the
My
bag,
dear, if I didn't have...
like there is a little bit of hand going through fabric, but it's happened so fast, and everything else is almost perfect. Like, you see how he puts his hand on the bag, and then it moves with his hand like insane. This is a really good example of how useful it's gonna be for TikTok Shop affiliate. Like, you can make these fake AI influencers, and you can put products into images with like 2 clicks with Nana Banana here inside the Higgsfield, and then you just turn that into video within half a minute. You do all that.
These are game changer. When I put them on, I don't see any red flags.
Like crazy. Okay, so this is another feature that you have here on Higgsfield. You can draw a sketch, and then it uses Sora 2 and makes an advertisement or a video using what you draw.
One trained fighter, 100 untamed beasts. Enter Gorilla Mode, the wildest way to test your combos. Free update, October 20th, only in UFC.
Yeah, like that's... I imagined an ad for a UFC game, like 1 human versus 100 gorillas. And I made lots of these just to test out different things. Like, physics are on point. I made another one. By the way, this is just from one image of me sitting right here. I didn't have to go to the gym, take an image. I didn't have to have an image of this product. I just took it from their website. Physics are working again. Oh, this is beautiful.
Ain't it crazy that we got Google Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 before GTA 6?
Yeah, isn't that crazy, guys? Now I'm gonna show you how I made these images. So some of them I edited inside Nana Banana. Like, for example, this one. You can see that I started with this. Hopefully it's gonna load it, maybe it's not. Maybe I already deleted it, I don't know. Yeah, so I started with me just not holding my heads even up, like holding them down under the table. And I just selected this thing. Okay, let me change it. I'm gonna come back to it in a second and it's gonna be changed. So then I removed the background of this image. And then I made myself look like super strong. And then I turned this image into a video. And it's all done within Higgsfield. Like, isn't that crazy? And then if you want to create images that look like real influencers, and okay, here is the controller one. How do I know if it's real or not? Yeah, if you want to create realistic images like this for maybe your TikTok shop affiliate page or whatever, or your fake AI influencer, you can come here and use this model, Higgsfield Soul, because it really has lots of these templates that you can use that look so realistic and they don't have that AI vibe to them, because there is lots of details that are not perfect, and that makes it actually more perfect. Like, for example, here, this is like the street. Then I use this for the grandma with a big bag under her. Yeah, like iPhone, this is good for user-generated content. If for some reason you don't see why Google Veo 3.1 is so much better than anything else for like these AI influencers and this type of stuff, I'm gonna show you here a clear example. So this video is generated by different video generator that's not that's still great, but it's in comparison with Google Veo 3.1.
I drank 36 drinks and I feel nothing.
I mean, it's good, but the sound and the voice coming out from this guy and the lip syncing, like barely
I drank 36 drinks, and I don't feel sure. I drank 36 drinks, and I don't feel anything.
This looks completely real. Google Veo 3.1 and Sora 2 are gonna be leading the industry, in my opinion, for years to come. And you can use all of this stuff that I showed you in this video inside one tool. It's called Higgsfield, and there is a link in the description to it. And here are two ways of making money right now with short-form content. One is that people are already doing. They are creating these TV shows, recreations, for example, a children's show like SpongeBob, and turning it into like more adult version.
It's the cops! Scream!
And the second way is making these compilations of top 5, like ranking top 5 funniest.
Picking up speed, rolling smooth. Look at this hit for the 9. 3/4 of a turn. Yes! Lands it.
Rational. I land the significant strikes with higher momentum. Yes, energy.
But it expired last July.
And you have unlimited content out there, and guys are generating millions of views per day using this strategy. And in just 9 days, this guy got 2.3 million views on this video. So you just need to start, and views are gonna come, because this is still untapped and unsaturated niche, but it's gonna be pretty saturated in few months. So guys, yeah, I'm sorry, I've been a little bit sick over the past 3 weeks, so that's why I haven't been uploading that much. Coming back stronger, hopefully. Nobody cares.